हेलो चिल्ड्रेन, क्लास 3 की इंग्लिश की बुक है। इसको अच्छे से आप रीडिंग दीजिए और फिर उसके बाद लिखिएगा। व्हाट्सएप पे हमको लिख के सेंड कीजिएगा। ये लिखा हुआ है चैप्टर कैमल द शिप ऑफ डिज़र्ट। कैमल द शिप ऑफ डिज़र्ट यानी ऊँट रेगिस्तान का जहाज़। इसमें आपको पढ़ना है। In this chapter, you will read about the camel, which is called the sheep of the desert. इस चैप्टर में आपको एक ऐसे जानवर के बारे में पढ़ना है जो रेगिस्तान का जहाज़ कहलाता है। पहले रीडिंग सब दे लें आप लोग। चैप्टर लंबा है और वीडियो लंबा ना हो जाए, इसलिए साफ साफ पहले बार बार पढ़ें और इसको फिर लिखें। Once a wise man was traveling in a desert. On the way, he met a company of merchants who had lost a camel. "We have lost one of our camels," they said to the wise man. "Have you seen it? Can you help us find it? Was your camel blind in the right eye and lame in the left foot?" asked the wise man. "Yes," said the merchant, "you must have seen it. Please tell us where it is. Has your camel lost a front tooth?" asked the wise man. "Yes," the merchant said. "Yes, it is. Yes, it has." The merchant said, "Yes, it has." The wise man asked, "Did it carry weight on the side of its load? Did it carry weight on one side of its load and honey on the other?" "Yes, it did," said the merchants. "Now, perhaps you will tell us where you saw the camel." The wise man said, "I have not seen your camel." The merchants were angry and said, "You must have seen it. You have stolen our camel and you have robbed us of the jewels and money it carried in its load." "No," said the wise man, "I have neither seen your camel nor your jewels and money." But the merchants did not believe him. They took him to the judge and told him their story. The judge asked, "How did you know? How did you know that the camel was blind in the right eye?" The wise man answered, "I knew that the camel was blind in the right eye because I noticed that it had eaten the grass only on one side of the path." "How did you know that the camel had lost a tooth?" asked the judge. "Whenever the camel grazed a small tuft of grass was left untouched in the bunch," said the wise man. "How did you know that he was lame in one left foot?" asked the judge. "Whenever it walked in the soft sand, whenever it walked in the soft sand, only 3 footprints were made," said the wise man. Then the judge asked, "But how could you tell that the load was The wise, then the judge asked, but how could you tell that the load was? The wise man said, the busy ants on one side and the flies on the other showed me that the camel was loaded with wheat and honey. You are indeed a wise man, said the judge, and I think you are an honest one. Then he said to the merchants, go and look for your camel. The merchants went away and found it not far away with the load untouched. We should not support वन अनदर्स विजडम। इस चैप्टर को आप बार बार पढ़ेंगे और लिखेंगे और व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करेंगे। पढ़ाई करते रहिए। फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। जय हिंद।